Are you tired of being lied to about playing games for money? People lying to you about ways you can make money. They not telling you the truth. And I'm here to tell you, I have found the app. I have done research, plenty of research. Found this app, started playing, and made money. Now on the screen, boom. That's how much money I made on this app so far. And I lie to you not. I'm not here to lie to you at all. I'm here to tell you the truth. This app is one of the ones. Look me in my eyes. This app is one of the ones. I have made that on there. I have made it on there. On there. And you can too. You could probably make hundreds, thousands, 10, you know what I'm saying? But you can make this app is really good. So today, I will be telling you about this app. The app is called Triumph. Now, if you want to join by QR code, before you do that, let me tell you about the app. If you want to join, the option will be right here. And the sign up code will be right here. And just for you, I'm going to edit this video. I don't usually edit my videos. Triumph. It's an app where you can make money playing games. I lie to you not. You can make money playing games. Now, you use my referral code after you heard about the app. I advise that, because then you either get up to $1. I mean, you get up to $10 starting from $1. All right, I've suggested it to my brother. He's made $10. He's had $10 gifted to him on his sign up. My mom, I put my mom on. Had to put my mom on, you know what I'm saying? Had to put the family on. She got $5. So it varies, and I try to figure out what is the common ground, the common factor of how much money somebody would get. And they told me around 15. So whatever money you get, make sure you use it wisely and don't be reckless about it. Because my brother, you know what he did? I told him not to do this. You know what he did, right? He gambled all his money. He was finna cash out. He had $6 after playing, you know what I'm saying? You get, like, say if you get, they gave him $10, right? And he played 8 ball. And then now he has $6 of his own money that is not the bonus money. So he could have cashed out, because you could cash out at $6. Right? He could have cashed out, but he's like, I'm going to go to school and I'm gonna keep playing this game, and I ain't going to cash out yet. And I got back home. He done lost all his money. So be careful with this app. He done lost all his money, but I told him, do not do that, bro. I told him be careful, bro. He ain't want to listen. Do not be like my brother. Now, regardless if you get $5, you can still make that flip. You can flip that 5 to a 10. You can flip that 5 to a 20 or 15. You can make that 5 flip. Especially, I mean, you could turn that 5 to 6, but be careful. Be careful. You know what I'm saying? Be careful. All right. This game is kind of like the casino. You're betting on yourself. Say if you play the 1v1 mode or the blitz mode, which they have, you're betting on yourself to get that score, or to get that score in blitz. You got to get a score to blitz to get a certain amount of dollars, get your maximum amount of dollars. And then if you play 1v1 mode, it's just like if I played somebody in basketball and we 1v1 for money. You know what I'm saying? Say you bet $5 and then the other person bet $5. You can make, I forgot what it is for $5, but say if you bet it $4.8. No, say if you bet it, no, yeah. Say if you bet it $4.8, you would get $8 in return if you beat that person in 1v1. If you got the highest score, they factor it on the highest score. So make sure you're trying to get your highest score and beat these people and get your money, right? So, the games they have, Triumph, same app I'm telling you about. the games they have. I can tell you about some games. All right. So I've played 8-Ball. I've played Bingo. I played Color Switch, the card game. I've played Solitaire. My favorite is 8-Ball because it's so easy, and you know what I'm saying? It's so easy to me. Now, they have so many games on there. You choose which one you love more. Choose which one it feels easy to you. Choose which one you know that you're going to win because you're betting on yourself. This is a betting game. You're betting on yourself. You're betting either free money from mine or you're betting your own money if you decide to add money. And you can add money. You can add it through Cash App, PayPal, Apple Pay, and I think it's Google Pay also. So you can add it 4 ways. Add your own money. But I advise you to slow down and play the game, get a feel of the game, master the game before you 1v1. So you might play Blitz, or you might play, they got a free spin for you, and you might do that. Slow down. Again, I made $600 plus, and I feel I have more than enough experience to tell you about this game. So that's why I'm telling you about this app. And this, hey, this is definitely a good way if you're sitting in the house and you're broke, you have no money. It's definitely a good way if you're sitting in your car and, man, you don't have no gas money. Definitely a good way. Definitely a good way if you've been unemployed like I was. No, I'm not. Unemployed and you have no source of income. Good way. Be careful though. Slow your roll. The money that I give you and the money that they allow me to give you using my referral code, use it wisely. Use it wisely, alright? But this app is so amazing. So amazing. So amazing. I want to tell you this. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the freak I was talking about. I was gonna gatekeep this. I was like, I gotta tell them, bro. It's people out there that don't have no income. You know what I'm saying? They're broke. And I was just like you. And I'm glad I found this app. And I've been seeing it everywhere. I'm just like, bro, how many times have I been lied to and the app didn't work? The app didn't pay me. The app paying me in pennies. How can I make money from pennies? You know what I'm saying? I get slow motion beats no motion. And pennies add up to $1. But I'm trying to get that money on. And they talking about, and the other apps just play free cash. Yes, they get money. But it's, you know what I'm saying? In a world where fast money rules, man. So I'm trying to make that fast cash. If you're trying to make that fast cash, download this app fast. If you're trying to make that fast cash, download this app fast. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting you on. Now, all you have to do, you don't have to do nothing else. Like the video, subscribe, share it to your friends, share them my referral code. This is a personal invite. This is intimate. You know what I'm saying? If you decide to share this with your friend, your family, use my job. You know what I'm saying? Now, you can use your job, but hold up over that. You know what I'm saying? I'm the master. Show them my junk. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win for both of us, because if you sign up using my code, you get up to $50, and the same money you get, I get. So when I sign my brother up, he got $10 and I got $10. When I sign my mom up, she got $5. I got $5. When you sign up, you get what you want. I mean, you get what you get. Say if you get $50. Say if you get $20. Say if you get $30. I get the same thing. So it's a win-win for both of us. We both eating. We both eating the slice of the pot. And who doesn't like that? So without further I told you everything. Oh, let me tell you this. I almost forgot about this. My bad. So, say if you get 10 crowns, right? Say if you just starting and you trying to get 10 crowns. I know for a fact they give you a bonus amount of money. You might get $5. Say if you get 50 crowns from winning and beating people, you know how much crowns you get? I mean, you know how much money you get? You get more money, right? They give you more money for beating people. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's a win-win. You using their app and you making money. I mean, you using their app, win for them. You making money, win for you. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win. Say say if you get 100 crowns, I believe it's 100, you get money. So, and it keeps going up in value the more crowns you get. So right now, I'm trying to get 400 crowns. I got 352. I'm so close. I'm trying to get 100, right? I think they get it's 100 pool. So I think I would get 100. So if I get 100, bro, I'm finna go crazy with this job, bro. I'm finna go crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go crazy. I get 100 in free cash from the app. What? They paying me 100 to beat people? Like, it's a win with this gap. But I can't believe I see this everywhere. And I'm just now dabbling into it. So just imagine if I would have gotten into it back then. I would have been up, son. You know what I'm saying? I would have had a stack. I would have showed you a stack in a thumbnail, and I would have showed a stack right beside me. So use this app, share with your friends. Do not gatekeep this information. People need to know this junk. They need to know how to make money online. And this is another way how to make money online. If you gain anything from this video, if anything was valuable in this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on. And there will be a link in my description for the email list. Because I just want to make you make money. And I want to provide you with the tools and everything that you need to know about finances as I'm learning too. So please, if I could get on my hand and knee, I wouldn't. Thought I would, but I would not do that job. But nice to meet you. My name is Kamari, kforknowledge. Welcome to the channel where I give you free game. Peace.